Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're well. Welcome to every new member to the Eagles group. And if you're new, please check the pinned post. You'll get to know how the group works and some of the most popular posts. And for all those who are commenting and contributing, thank you. Anyway, I wanted to respond to a question that one of the members asked, and they were saying, why is it so difficult to accomplish our goals? And oh my, this topic will always be around, right? First of all, you need to learn to set goals, because usually a system is broken. A system, you can't accomplish something if the system you're using or the process or procedure is not right. So your process is producing wrong results. Hi, welcome. Your process is producing wrong results. So why are you failing? One, are your goals clear? Are they motivational? Are they big enough? Are they fulfilling? Or are they too small? Are they in line with the bigger picture? You know, because most of the time we fail because the goal is not motivating enough, or we can't see where we are going. Hi, welcome. Or we can't see where we are going. You see, so you need clarity. You need to make sure your goals have a time frame. You need to be able to know when there is, how do you measure success with that goal you've set. For example, if it's a weight loss goal, you know in a week at least you lose 1 pound or 1 kilogram or whatever measurement you use. You see, so you have to be able to measure success. Then when it comes to the mindset, are you in a mindset that will help you accomplish your goals? Meaning, are you focusing everything you have in terms of physical things, in terms of company, in terms of groups? Are they all directed towards your goal? Because it's one thing, for example, I'll use an example of someone trying to start a business. Someone is trying to start a business, but then they spend all their time watching, let's say, wrestling. They are not fully invested, mind, body, and soul into this project. Because you remember, we do not become who we just don't transform things unless we become those things. Your mindset has to be the mindset of accomplishing that goal. So the investment, for another example, is the investment in yourself. Supposing you're here to develop better in your personal development, but then you watch only a 5-minute video once a week, that will never cause change. You have to dedicate yourself to the goal you want to accomplish. Full dedication, commitment, clarity, timelines, you know, with everything you've got. So why you fail is maybe you're not maybe you set it and it wasn't really yours. That's another thing. Because of the way the society is, sometimes we live other people's dreams, we accomplish other people's goals instead of our own. Meaning, you have to dig into your heart to make sure the goal you're trying to accomplish is actually your goal. It's not because your parents told you so or your society told you so. It's something you actually desire to see through. Because if you do, you will be dedicated. I remember when I was producing my first online course, I was so dedicated at that time. I had a full-time job, so I had no time during the day. At night, I would dedicate 6 hours in the evening, exhausted, to complete this course. For months, every night, I would put in hours, you know. Yes, you may have to sacrifice certain things to see your goal through. For example, if you have friends that are not promoting your goal, you may have to, leave them for a while until you see your goal accomplished. So you have to actually dedicate yourself. This is not just talk. If you're not willing to do the work and do the hard work and do the sacrifice just for this little time to see yourself win, well, then you won't win. We'll find you next year asking the same question, talking about the same things. So it will take your personal commitment to see yourself through. So the action point this time is go back to those goals you wanted to accomplish. Revisit them and restructure them. Make sure they are clear, pointing to exactly where you want to go. Make sure they are ones that you want. Hi Davis, how are you? Glad you joined us. Make sure those are the goals that you actually wanted to accomplish, that they are your goals, not other people's goals. Make them big enough to scare you that you need God to help you out. Make them motivational enough, like something that will drive you, because it's only you who knows where you want to go and how to get there. Well, as always, this is Mother Ego. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks guys for joining. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye.